Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Toyota Tacoma side mirror. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Next, ensure your truck is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. You might also want to place a towel or cloth on the ground to protect the mirror if it falls. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel trim pieces, then remove any screws holding the panel. Carefully detach the door panel to expose the mirror's electrical connector. Disconnect this wiring harness, then use your socket wrench to remove the 3 nuts securing the mirror to the door frame. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new mirror assembly with the 3 studs on the door frame. Hand tighten the 3 mounting nuts first, then use your socket wrench to secure them firmly, but do not over-tighten. Finally, reconnect the electrical harness to the new mirror, ensuring it clicks into place. Before reassembling the door, test your new mirror. Check that the electronic adjustments work correctly and any integrated turn signals illuminate. Once confirmed, carefully reattach the interior door panel, ensuring all clips and screws are secure. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. You've successfully replaced your Toyota Tacoma side mirror.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.